Alright, I'm going to show you how to install your email address on your HTC Snap phone. This is going to be for the email addresses ending in @ldschurch.org. Okay, from the Today screen, let's hit the Start button. Make sure we find the icon that's labeled Messaging. You may have to push all programs if it's not already displayed. Once you highlight it, we're going to press the Center tab button. I may call that Enter during the tutorial. Just hit that center button. You want to highlight Setup, and then you can hit Select. In here I want you just to put in your email address. And your password. Okay, once you have that in there, just hit Next. Now I want you to hit that center button one time. That'll remove the check mark in the upper left hand corner, and hit Next. When you use the right arrow key and look for Custom Domain, then hit Next. Now I'll just put here ldschurch.org as your email provider. Okay, once you've done that, you want to hit Next. Now your display name. Okay, once you got your display name in, you'll hit Next. Your incoming server, it's going to be mail.ldschurch.org. Now we'll hit Function and M to get your colon, and input the numbers 993. Okay, now we're going to arrow down, highlight the POP3, hit the right arrow once. We'll get IMAP4 and hit Next. Now this is going to be the username. Okay, in our username, we're just going to put our full email address. In my case, it's scmadrano@ldschurch.org. Okay, now we hit Next. Now we need our outgoing mail server. We're going to put mail.ldschurch.org. We're going to put the colon. Now we're going to put 587 as the numbers. Okay, once we got that in there, we're going to down arrow key once. We're going to get this highlighted. We're going to put the center button once to put a check mark there. And now we push Next. Alright, now our setup is complete. We need to choose how long we want our email to be updated. You can see here that it can be manually, which is only when you choose it to happen. You actually have to manually go in there and push the button. And everything from every 5 minutes up to once a day. Keep in mind that the more often that it checks the email, it's going to burn more battery, and you're going to find yourself having to charge your phone throughout the day. So you might want to choose something like every 2 hours, every 4 hours. Go ahead and experiment till you find out what works best for you. Well, now that you're done doing that, you just want to hit Finish, and that's it. It's going to begin to check your email. You're ready to go.